Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm going to make a chocolate peanut butter fudge pie. And there are some other recipes similar to this out there on the internet. However, a lot of them use instant pudding for one layer of it. And I've just never been a big fan of instant pudding. It's okay if you mix it together like with some cream cheese and some Cool Whip and stuff like that. But when you're just making a chocolate layer, a pudding layer, I think you can't do better than the kind of pudding that you have to cook. And that's the kind of pudding I grew up on. It's still Jello pudding, but instead of mixing it together with cold milk and letting it sit up, you have to cook it for about 5 minutes. But it is so much better than instant pudding. So that's what one layer of our pie is going to be. And then there's going to be another layer with cream cheese and Cool Whip and peanut butter. And then on the very top, we're going to put some hot fudge, peanut butter chocolate hot fudge. It'll be cooled down, of course.
So you'll need either a ready-made pie crust or one from scratch like I did. The recipe is in the description. I apologize for not showing that, but I had some camera problems and it didn't record that part. Now we'll make the pudding filling, and it's just 2 boxes of chocolate cook and serve pudding and 3 cups of milk. Stir this over medium heat almost continually until the pudding becomes thick and starts to bubble. Now take it off the heat and pour it into your crust. Refrigerate for about an hour so it cools down. Now make the peanut butter filling. It's 1 block of cream cheese and half a cup of peanut butter. Mix that well and then add half of a 16-ounce whipped topping and mix it together. Then add the other half of the whipped topping and mix it well. Spread this over your cooled chocolate filling. Last thing to do is make your hot fudge, which is a simple combination of 1 cup chocolate syrup and a half a cup of peanut butter, slowly microwaved together until warm enough to combine. Let this sit for about 10 minutes to cool a little bit. Refrigerate your pie while you wait for the hot fudge to cool down. After 10 or more minutes, pour the fudge over the pie and spread it around. Then refrigerate again for a couple of hours before serving. I promise you this is a delicious pie. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd love to hear your comments if you make the pie and how it turns out. Be sure to check the description for the actual recipe. I hope to see you again.